Welcome back to part 2 of my twist out. I know my hair is looking a little rough right now. I had these twists in for 6 days. I used the blueberry and mint tea scalp treatment and put it in my scalp and just through my hair. I'm putting the top of my hair up and I'm starting at the back. And you can see that little piece that I forgot, still there, just sad and left out. So the first twist is taken out, looks okay. Take out the other side in the back. And I'm just going to speed this up because I know you just want to see the end result. Here's just a little close-up of how the twists are coming out. They look really nice and moisturized and bouncy. The back is done. Now we're onto the front and removing those flat twists. So it's the same process. And the ends of the front of my hair are straight as usual. Usually for the straight parts, I'd use a perm rod or some kind of curler at the end. I just didn't do it this time. So right here, I'm contemplating on cutting off the front of my hair because it's so straight and I'm pretty annoyed, but I get over it quickly and I start taking down the other side. Now all the twists are out and I'm just separating the twists in the back and the sides to make it fluffier. Some more separating and fluffing. You can use a pick for this, but I didn't want to. I just prefer to use my hands. So this is pretty much it. The hair is bouncy and soft, fluffy, and the final results. So I'm listening to some music here. I can't share it because of copyright reasons, but I'm really enjoying the twist out look. I'm really happy how it came out. And finally, here are some still photos. Thank you so much for watching. If you didn't see part 1, you can click it here. Hope to see you soon.
Don't forget to subscribe.
Bye.